Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections right away. Then click on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on. After that, tap on Bluetooth and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, tap on this gear icon next to the device and choose Unpair at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one by tapping on it and selecting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!